Hello everyone, Mike Arnold's here, co-founder of Private Trading Partners along Bob Iacchino. So a pretty explosive move in some of the cryptos up. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. By the way, when you see this, memorize this pattern. You see it rising along the rotation zone, then we get a strong breakout with increased volume. That's where you got to just go with it if you're a short-term momentum trader. I've already updated the levels because we were watching this earlier, so I came up to this major swing high to do the big projections. Which gave us the 82.62 level, which we paused at. Then the next major area was 87.52 to 88.56. You see we poked up in it, closed down, spiked through it, then trading right at that 87.50 level right now. Very, very overbought. Volume trailing off. We're going to start watching for the retracement, and now I'm taking these levels up. We don't know if this is the pausing bar yet, but this is the area I will be watching. On a pullback, be watching about 82.50 area and then 8,000. Those are the two key levels. Let's jump out to the daily since this is so overbought right now. So you see exploding also above the 200, above that 8,023 level we've talked about, and you can see that big level I was doing before I just moved it. It used to be at this point. Now I moved it up here. It came from this major swing low back on March 13th. So that's how I came up with those levels. So major support on the daily is all the way back at this 8,000 level. That's the level we'll be watching. Should we turn back around? Right now though, on move up, we'll be watching 80, about 9,000 again. Then 9,300, then major cluster 96 to about 9,700. Those are the key levels to the upside. Take a look at Ethereum, which also explosive move, holding the rotation zone, volume coming in, move going up. We had that cluster 213.75 to 215. Already updated a bunch of these levels. Closing on that 215 level, spiking up to 219. Did my projections up to 219, 223.34, and 227 are the next key levels. Support 207 and then 200 are the two key levels of support we'll be watching. Switching over to the daily. Daily, you can see 8 pushing price up, pattern we've talked about before. Key support on the daily is right around 200 to about 198. So that's the key support on any pullback we will be watching for. Very strong volume also in Ethereum. If these aren't the pausing bars that I've highlighted, make sure you update your charts when we do get that pausing bar. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.